I don't know what went wrong. Look at those golden bad boys. The world's gone mad. Oh my god, they're so cute. This tastes like I've bought it from an independent coffee shop. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be exotic.
Whispers in the morning, whispers wakes me up. I can't hear your words, dear. Whispers that you're mine.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat. This is a pretty standard day for me, to be honest. It feels like quite a while since I filmed one of these videos, but I have been trying to be a bit more adventurous with lunch and breakfast more recently as well, so thought I would document it. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of inspo. Probably won't, not gonna lie. I eat quite a basic diet. I'm very lucky in that I don't have any allergies or intolerances. I still live at home with my parents. My mum, bless her, cooks dinner most nights, so I'm not veggie. There's nothing special about my diet, to be honest with you, but you guys seem to enjoy these videos. Every morning at like 7:30, 8 o'clock I have a cup of tea, so I've already done that to get me started for the day, and I'm now going to go downstairs and make my breakfast. For the past couple of days, I've been having a Muller Corner yogurt and a banana, and then yesterday I finally picked up my favourite yogurt again. So it's this mango, papaya and passion fruit one from Onken. I don't know if this is one of those weird bacteria ones, you know, that are like got bacteria in. I don't think this one is actually. I don't know. Anyway, either way, I'm going to have some of this yogurt, got a banana, and I've also got some blueberries that I'm going to add this morning. I actually buy these for Sunny because they're really good for dogs. She doesn't like them, I just have to hide them in her food. But I'm going to steal some of her blueberries this morning. And here we go, a very sweet breakfast, but a little light, yummy breakfast for a Monday morning. It's a couple of hours later. I've just got back from a lovely long dog walk, but I'm hungry now. I always get hungry at this time in the morning, but it's so hard to know what to eat mid-morning. I know most people probably don't, but I do. But I'm gonna make myself, don't know whether to make a cappuccino or an iced latte. I think I'm going to have a cappuccino today because I'm a little bit chilly, and I might just have a couple of biscuits. That's probably like not the best just before lunch, but I'm hungry, and if I don't eat and my sugar levels drop, I start to feel really faint. My dad's exactly the same, so I must get it from him. I'm just going to have my little mid-morning snack. I've already started preparing lunch. I'm attempting to make some crispy sweet potato fries with my lunch today, but they've got to soak in water first. So fingers crossed, but for right now I'm going to make a cappuccino and have a couple of biscuits, just because I can feel like that wave of feeling funny coming on, but it's not quite lunchtime yet, so I need something to keep me going. Cappuccino complete. This cute little mug is from Sainsbury's. It's one of my favourites. It's the perfect coffee size as well. I like quite a big coffee. And I just remembered that we've got these from Asda, these little chocolate crepes. So I'm just going to have one of these and my cappuccino, just to get my sugar levels up really, and just to, yeah, keep me going until lunchtime. Right, lunchtime. So apparently, to get crispy sweet potato fries, 2 key ingredients are some kind of oil and corn flour. I've heard that corn flour is what makes them crispy, because anytime we've tried these, they just turn out so soggy and a little bit gross. So I'm going to coat them in oil first, and then I'm going to coat them in corn flour. Then I'm going to spread them out on greaseproof paper on the baking tray, and they can't touch each other, otherwise apparently they're going to go soggy. So sounds like a bit of a mission to me, just for some sweet potato fries. By the way, these are for me and my mum, and probably done way too much. I'm going to make myself a panini to have at the same time, so these are just like a little side. But wish me luck with my crispy sweet potato fries. Not going to lie, that process wasn't as speedy as I thought it was going to be. But here's my sweet potato fries ready to go in the oven. I think they're a bit chunky looking at them now, but I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. Let's put them in. It doesn't say on this website how long to cook them for either, so I'm literally just guessing this. Good luck, friends. Blimmin' heck, I had to turn the sweet potato fries over in the oven one by one halfway through. So far, faffy. These better be the crispiest, most godly, heaven-sent sweet potato fries in all the land, because next time I'm buying them from a packet if they're not. Anyway, now that I'm about halfway through, I'm gonna get started on my panini. I actually had this for lunch yesterday, and not gonna lie, best panini I've ever made in all my life, so prepare yourself, because this is gonna be exotic. In my little panini, today we are having pesto, spinach, chicken for lazy people, and some mozzarella. I kid you not, this tastes like I've bought it from an independent coffee shop who have nailed their menu, who really care about their customers, and thought goes into every plate. That's what it tasted like. It is delicious. If you're thinking that's a lot of pesto, you'd be right. Your gal likes a lot of pesto. We all know spinach shrivels down to absolutely nothing. Here she is, fresh out the oven, smelling delicious. I urge you guys to try this more than I've ever urged you to try anything in your life, because I promise you, you'll love it. Got some very disappointing news about the sweet potato fries. Just got them out the oven, and not only are they not crispy, they're also covered in flour. I don't know what went wrong. Please let me know down below if you've got any tips to get your sweet potato fries crispy, because this gal has tried a few things now, and I just can't get it right. I mean, look at them. I'm over here trying to scrape off the flour off of each chip, and I just have not got the time or the energy for that. Well, technically I have got the time, but I'm not doing it. Thought I'd switch it up and do a clip in the garden, because I realised this entire video has been in my kitchen naturally. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon now. Just got back from another dog walk, which is why I look a little bit dishevelled. Anyway, if you've been watching my recent weekly vlogs, you'll know that I've been really into baking recently. I used to be the worst baker, like so bad, but I'm actually getting better now. Those will be the famous last words, and these cakes will go wrong. But basically, last week my mum told me about English madeleines, and I'd never heard of these before, but I thought they sound really cute. And she used to make these with her mum. She said that they reminded her of her childhood. They used to make them all the time together. I didn't know what they were either. I'll put a picture on screen of what they look like. They're basically like a vanilla sponge with usually cherry jam around the outside, desiccated coconut, and a cherry on top. But you have to have a specific mould for them. So I hopped onto Amazon and managed to find one. It arrived yesterday, and my mum was so excited, bless her. I hadn't told her that I'd ordered it because she just like mentioned it very briefly to me. So I'm about to make the English madeleines for an afternoon snack, I guess, like a little afternoon bake with a cup of tea. I think it's going to be lovely, and it's going to be very nostalgic for my mum. Fingers crossed they go right and I don't let the team of madeleines down. Do you reckon we can do it, Sonny? Are you going to be any help? Absolutely not. Oh, now you're interested that I've come in the kitchen. Sonny? Hi, are you coming to help? You're missing out on the madeleines, hun.
The world seems so hollow. Without you by my side.
So I've just got them out the oven, and look how cute they are. They're so diddy, like they're so small. They're like little fairy cakes almost. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the tops off of these now and then put them on the cooling rack to cool down. And once they're cool, then I can get started on the raspberry jam. I've got to melt this, like roll them in it pretty much. But they just look so cute. I had to show you. They are the most adorable cakes ever. Obviously, I'm saving the tops. I'm gonna eat them while the others cool down. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at them popping out. Come on, honeys. Oh my god, they're like little soldiers. Bless them. How cute, Sonny. Not gonna lie, guys. Just sat and had a cup of tea. Me and my mum ate all the tops off those cakes. To be fair, there wasn't that much there. But it was delicious. So I'm gonna like do the jam and the coconut and stuff, and we're gonna have a proper finished one later on this evening after dinner, because tonight on the menu my mum is doing a roast beef dinner. It's a Monday night, the world's gone mad. We're having a Sunday roast on a Monday evening, and I couldn't be happier about it. My next mug of the day was this one, by the way. Today's good mood is sponsored by my dog. This is from Pulse & Paws Boutique. Absolutely love it. We're having a little bit of a late dinner tonight, so it's actually 8 o'clock now, but here is the roast beef din. I've been looking forward to this all day. So we've got the beef, we've got roast parsnips, baby carrots, carrot and swede mash, curly kale, the best part, the roast potatoes. Look at those golden bad boys. And of course, Yorkshire puddings. I am far too excited about eating this. You best believe there will be not one little scrap left. And I realise I've not really documented my drinks much today. I didn't have a drink with breakfast, I just had my little yoghurt. And then with lunch, pretty much all I drink is either orange and mango or orange and pineapple, whatever kind of squash we've got in. Obviously to get my water levels up a little bit, but I definitely don't drink enough water, like nowhere near enough. I'm trying to get better at it, but still a little bit rubbish, not gonna lie. And then with dinner, I'll either have another glass of squash, or if I'm treating myself, I'll have an appetizer. I'm going with the appetizer tonight. It's my favourite fizzy drink, and with a roast beef, do you know what? My rule is, if it's a dinner I love, I'm going all out. If it's a dinner I'm like, okay, then I'll have a squash. Oh, hello, Sunny. Sunny's come out looking for scraps. But yeah, appetizer it is tonight. I really need to start drinking more because I can't live on a diet of tea for much longer.
From the moment I dared to follow a whispering voice inside, I realized I'm in love. Ooh.
Do you want to come and see them?
Oh wow! They look really good.
Is that what they used to look like?
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Hannah.
That's alright. Is that how you remember them?
Yeah, it is, exactly.
So it's now the next day, but after the last clip I had a Madeleine with a cup of tea. They were delicious. They're so cute. They're really light. I'd really recommend making them actually. And now we've got that little tray, I'm gonna see what else I can make from that mould, because I bet there's loads of like different fairy cakes and stuff. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you try the panini from lunchtime, because it is delicious. I want to hear your verdict on it. I'm obsessed. I've had it for like 3 days in a row, I'm not gonna lie. Do subscribe to see my future videos. I upload weekly vlogs every Sunday morning. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.